Hello, in this video I'm going to show you all backup methods on iPhone 17 Pro Max. Okay, first method I'm about to show you is backup using the iCloud. To perform that method, open up your settings, click right in here on your name. Now select the iCloud. The maximum value of the data is 5 gigabytes. If you want, you can buy premium or delete something to create a backup, because we also need to have some space. Now click on iCloud Backup. Make sure that backup this phone is enabled. I also highly recommend enable to backup over mobile data. And now to create a backup, simply hit Backup Now button. Now the process will start. Below we can see some other backups also. We need to wait now. Alright, the backup has been successfully made. And that was the first method. Really simple. Now our backup is stored in our iCloud. Okay, now we can use our computer to create a backup. I will use the MacBook, so give me a second and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, to create a backup using the MacBook, or simply the macOS, we need to connect our iPhone into the MacBook using the USB-C cable. So connect it. If you are connecting for the first time, there's a chance that the iPhone always does that. He will ask you, do you want to trust this computer? Simply click on trust. And now, once we have done that, now click on your Finder. And now that, my bad. Okay, open up your Finder and now select your iPhone. It's right in here, and now in here we have the backups. We can select to backup all of the data into this Mac. Now select Backup Now. In my case, I want to encrypt the backups. Now enter a password to protect your iPhone backup. It's up to you. Okay. Now verify it. And click on Set Password. Now on your iPhone we need to type our passcode. Simply type it. Okay, and now our data is being backupped. Now we need to simply wait, so I'll see you once it's done. Okay, now the backup has been made. As you take a look right in here, last backup to this Mac, we can see that it was today, and we can see the hour, and as you take a look right in here into the hour, it's the same. So everything went fine. So that was the second method. Now I'll show you how you can back up your data also into your computer, but this time with Windows. Okay, and now to back up your data into your Windows, open up the Microsoft Store. Okay, from here we need to download the Apple devices. Open up the search bar and type Apple devices. Now download this app, this one. Now open it. Connect your iPhone using the USB-C cable into your PC. Now go into the General. Now select the backups. And now create backup. Click right in here, create backup now. And now on your phone, type your screen lock to confirm. We can see down below that a backup is being created, so we need to wait a little. Okay, now the backup has been successfully created. We can see it right in here, last backup on this PC. We have the date and the hour, so everything went fine. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.